The next question asks is, can a lady taste the food during fasting? The thing that breaks the fast is if you ingest food. If you swallow food, the fast is broken. Normally, the taste buds are on the tongue. So while you're fasting, you can put the food on your tongue and you can taste, but be careful not to ingest it. So if a lady is cooking food and she wants to know whether the salt in the food is correct or not, she can put on her tongue and then she can spit out the food that is permitted. For safety, if she wants to gargle the mouth, no problem. But tasting is permitted. It is not required that take a small quantity or take a large quantity. When you are doing wudu, you are taking a large quantity of water in the mouth. You are not taking a small quantity. So in wudu, when you can take the water in your mouth and spit out completely, similarly, you can take even a large portion of food. But the only care you should take is you should not swallow the food. You can put the food on your tongue, the taste buds on the tongue, and you can easily identify the taste. But be careful not to swallow it. So when you spit out, there may be some remnant particles of food there. So it's preferable that if you're taking a small quantity, with your spit you can spit out, no problem. If you're taking a large quantity of food, see to it that you gargle your mouth and spit out so that there is no remaining particles of food which may go inside. So tasting of food is permitted, there is no problem at all. And this is a ni'mah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Otherwise, imagine, your wife will cook food and if the salt is excessive, you will get angry with her. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has, mashallah, taken care of all these things and He's placed the taste buds on the tongue. So by tasting food, your fast is not broken.